Have you ever wondered why some people build fortunes while others struggle their entire lives just to pay bills? Is it luck? A special talent? Or is there a hidden secret that millionaires don't want you to know? The truth is, there's a hidden code behind wealth. And today, I'm going to reveal every detail. But listen carefully. This knowledge could change your life forever. So stay until the end. Imagine two friends who grew up in the same neighborhood, went to the same school, and shared the same dreams. John and Mark both wanted a better life, financial freedom, and security for their families. But something happened along the way. John followed the path everyone said was right. He studied, got a good job, worked extra hours whenever he could. After a few years, he bought a car, financed an apartment, and found himself trapped in endless bills. His salary never seemed enough, and the more he worked, the more exhausted and time-starved he became. Retiring early, just a distant illusion. Meanwhile, Mark did something different. While working, he studied money. He realized that trading time for money would never make him rich, so he started investing. First small amounts in stocks. Then he built an online business in his spare time. He didn't waste money on things that didn't generate returns. Every extra dollar went to work for him. Many people believe money is about intelligence or hard work. But do you know what 90% of millionaires have in common? They master one simple yet powerful principle, the wealth mindset. It doesn't matter where they were born, whether they came from poverty or middle class. The difference between the rich and the poor isn't just money. It's how they think and make decisions. And I'm going to show you how you can apply this today. If you still believe that getting rich depends on working more hours or getting a bigger salary, I need to tell you something shocking. Working harder might actually be keeping you broke. That's right. Millionaires don't trade time for money. They create systems, build assets, and make money work for them. And you know the first step? Changing your perspective on money and investing in the right things. Now listen carefully, because this could be a turning point for you. There's a huge difference between those who become wealthy and those stuck in the rat race. The rich buy assets, the poor buy liabilities. While most people spend money on cars, phones, and expensive clothes, millionaires put every dollar into something that generates more money. Stocks, businesses, real estate. Need a real-life example? If you had invested $1,000 in Apple in 2001, today, you'd have over $400,000. But it's not just about investing money, it's about thinking like a millionaire. Rich people don't complain, they don't make excuses, and they don't wait for luck. They take action, and the secret is simple: learn to solve problems, and money will follow. Money always flows to those who create valuable solutions. So tell me, what are you doing to make yourself valuable? Here's another mistake that keeps millions of people stuck in mediocrity, believing a steady job is security. The truth is, your salary will never make you rich because it's designed to keep you exactly where you are. You work to fulfill your boss's dreams, while millionaires build their own. So ask yourself, are you building your own wealth or someone else's? Millionaires play a completely different game. While most people focus on promotions and salary raises, the wealthy ask, how can I make money while I sleep? The answer? Leverage. Using other people's time, skills, and money to multiply wealth. Look around. Every great fortune was built this way. And you can be next. Now think about this. Money's not the goal, it's the key to freedom. When you have enough money, you choose where to live, what to do, who to spend time with. You don't live under anyone's orders. That's real power. And that power starts with one decision. Will you keep living on autopilot, or will you start your journey to financial freedom today? If you've made it this far, it means you've already taken the first step, seeking knowledge. But that's not enough. You need to act, start investing, study assets, learn how the rich think. Small daily changes create extraordinary results. And if you're truly ready to change your life, I have a mission for you. Comment below, I choose freedom. to mark the start of your journey. Now tell me, do you want to keep surviving, or do you want to live life on your own terms? If this message resonated with you, like this video so more people can discover this secret. And subscribe to the channel, because in the next videos, I'll teach you step by step how to build wealth from scratch. The choice is in your hands. See you in the next video.